Back again. So as you've seen there, we are running low on compost, so I'm going to pop and get a couple of bags from my local garden centre, and I thought I'd bring you along for the journey. It's about 10 minutes drive from the house, so we'll pop and do that and bring you along. Good girl. Good girl. Right then guys, so we've made it. Just stopped off and got a quick haircut. Feel a lot better after that. So judging by the car park, it is absolutely heaving in there, so I'm not sure how much of this I'm actually going to be able to film, but get as much as we can in and hopefully show you a few bits in there. Right then guys, as I thought, it was absolutely heaving in the shop, so we'll have a little look around here. Myself a little basket. Sell absolutely everything in this shop. It's probably why it's one of my favourite shops.
And if you want to get involved, the briefcase of faith is not from them. You need to be base heavy values. Give it to me. This will be your base heavy values. 664461037.
Right then, it's a bit quieter outside. Just have a look at the composts. That's why we've come here. There's quite a good selection. Jack's Magic, 50 litres, £7. And it doesn't look like they've got any of the ones that I want. Typical. We'll find a substitute. They do have more out by the front door. I might get some of them. I'd spend a fortune here. They're not cheap, that's for sure. we've got all timbers and paving slabs all down the side here, and some more plants down the bottom end there. Try not to walk around them, otherwise I end up buying them. £11.90 for a lupin that's already flowered. That's why we grow them from seed. No prices on any of these though. £5.99. Then round the back here, we've got all fancy pots and stuff. Way out of my price range. And some more fruit trees. Again, won't be buying any of them from here. Right then guys, so sorry about that, don't know how any of that footage is going to turn out. It was absolutely heaving in there. On my way out I bought 4 bags of Grow More multi-purpose compost. There are 4 40-litre bags for £10. Whilst I was loading them up in the van, I spotted the compost that I actually want. So what I'm going to do is hang about 10-15 minutes, see if it quietens down a little bit, and I might pop back in and grab 2 bags of compost that I actually want. We'll keep the other ones anyway, we'll use them for potatoes or for something else. But give it 10-15 minutes and see if it quietens down a bit. Right then guys, and just like that, we're back home. I ended up not going back in. It was still absolutely heaving in there after about 15-20 minutes of waiting. So make do with what I got. Spin the camera around and we'll have a look at what I bought. Right then, so first thing, see me picking up the Q4 root maw. Can never have enough of this stuff. It's £5.49 that is there, and that's a 250 gram bag. I know you can get big buckets of it online, but don't mind buying them. Also got some early purple sprouting broccoli. So for the winter sowings. I picked up a couple of these hanging baskets. These are only £4.99 each, only the cheap ones, but the ones that I've got are looking a bit worse for wear, so I thought I'd get a couple of new ones. And then got 4 bags of the Richmore organic compost. It's not the usual stuff that I'd get, but like I say, I didn't know that they had, straight out of the bag, I didn't notice that they had the ones that I wanted in stock. So I've just got 4 of these. These are 40 litre bags, and I got 4 of those for £10. So that's not too bad. I think everything was £28. Right then guys, so sorry I didn't get to show you a bit more of what was going on in the shop, but it was absolutely heaving, as I said. So hopefully next time, if you enjoyed this video, I might do it again, maybe go to a different one, and hopefully next time I won't be so busy. But for now, that's going to be it for this one today. I'm going to leave it there, and if you haven't already guys, please do consider subscribing. I'm just going to have one of the strawberries that are ready in the polytunnel now. They are absolutely beautiful. These ones are the ones that I bought at the start of the season. I've had a few of these now. A couple already there. But Bobby's really enjoying these. Right then guys, so that is it for me today. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and drop me a comment below. Bye for now.